something is coming. A wave of change so massive, it's about to rewrite everything we know about work, health, reality, even our own thoughts. By 2026, technology won't just assist humanity, it will merge with it. Let's watch 17 new technology trends already shaping our world. And by the end, you might not look at the future the same way again. Number 17. Low-code, no-code revolution. Psychologists. For decades, coding was the gatekeeping skill. Only engineers could build the digital world. Not anymore. Gasoline by 2026, nearly 3/4 of all new apps will be built without a single line of code. Drag, drop, deploy. Platforms like Glide, Bubble, and Microsoft Power Apps are giving rise to a new generation of creators, people who solve problems without touching syntax. Even OpenAI lets users build custom AI tools in minutes with zero coding. Prohibited the power once reserved for Silicon Valley engineers, now it's in your hands. This is the democratization of creation, and it's just getting started. Number 16. AI-crafted experiences in extended reality. The age of VR headsets and clunky games is over. Welcome to AI-powered worlds, places that think, react, and evolve with you. Imagine stepping into a virtual concert and the crowd changes based on your heartbeat. Or entering a virtual office that rearranges itself as your mood shifts. NVIDIA is already testing this, creating virtual characters that hold real conversations, learning as you talk. Meta is investing billions into digital avatars that don't just look real, they feel alive. These aren't pre-coded worlds anymore. They're self-aware experiences. In 2026, your virtual reality will know you better than your own reflection. Number 15. Privacy-first AI and local processing. Fallback. You've heard it before, the internet never forgets. But what if, finally, it could? Tech giants like Apple and Intel are moving toward private AI. No cloud uploads, no server logs, just lightning-fast intelligence stored inside your device. Meta's Llama 3, Intel's Meteor Lake, and Apple's neural engines are teaching AI to work offline, keeping your data where it belongs, with you. With global privacy laws tightening, 2026 marks a new era. AI that's not just smart, but trustworthy. Number 14. AI agents that work for you. Once, you had to tell AI what to do. Now, you just tell it why. AI agents are evolving from assistants to employees. In 2024, a system called Devon could already write, debug, and deploy entire websites on its own. By 2026, these agents will handle your scheduling, research, and even business management, end to end. No more switching apps, writing prompts, or giving orders. These AIs don't just follow commands, they take initiative. Welcome to a world where you don't just use AI, discharged it. Number 13. Quantum computing nears reality. For decades, quantum computing was a myth, too unstable, too theoretical. But in 2026, it's crossing the threshold. IBM hit 1,000 qubits and is already scaling toward even more powerful chips. Google and IonQ are racing to make them stable enough for real-world use. The possibilities? Fallback, drug discovery, logistics optimization, unbreakable encryption, all solved in seconds. Quantum isn't about faster computers, It's about computers that think differently. Number 12. Edge AI chips everywhere. Your devices are getting smarter, not because of the cloud, but because of what's inside. Quartz Apple's A17 Pro, Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite, and Intel's Meteor Lake chips are bringing AI processing directly onto your device. That means instant image editing, real-time translation, and voice control, even with no internet. Cabbage, by 2026, every device you own will think independently. Not connected intelligence, distributed intelligence. Number 11. Smart Infrastructure 2.0. The cities of the future are learning how to breathe. By 2026, there'll be over 30 billion IoT devices working quietly behind the scenes, adjusting traffic lights, monitoring pollution, and predicting equipment failures before they happen. Parking Spirit, traffic systems now reroute cars in real time. In South Korea, street poles charge your phone and monitor air quality simultaneously. These cities don't just respond, they anticipate. Urban life is evolving into a living network, one where the walls, roads, and lights all whisper the same language: data. Number 10. Humanoid robots go commercial. They were science fiction once. Now, they're signing contracts. In 2024, Figure AI partnered with BMW to deploy humanoid robots in manufacturing. Agility Robotics sent its bipedal robot Digit to Amazon warehouses. And yes, Tesla's Optimus is folding laundry. These robots aren't gimmicks. They walk, lift, and handle repetitive tasks safely and efficiently. And soon, they'll be priced like cars. 2026 will be the year humans stop being the only workforce that walks on two legs. Number 9. AI in healthcare gets personal. The human body, the most complex system ever built, is finally meeting its digital twin. Google DeepMind's AI now detects diseases from retinal scans, sometimes earlier than doctors. Hospitals in the US use AI to predict sepsis hours before symptoms appear. Soon, your health data will no longer be passive. It will be proactive. Boilers will track your stress, diet, sleep, and genetics, then whisper the right advice before things go wrong. It's not medicine anymore. It's preemptive intelligence. Number 8. AR glasses replace screens. Imagine checking messages, directions, or translations, all without touching your phone. The race for AR glasses is accelerating. Apple's Vision Pro was only the beginning. Now, Meta, Samsung, and X-Real are creating lighter, smarter lenses that overlay digital info onto your world. Live captions, navigation arrows, real-time translation. By 2026, your reality won't be replaced. It'll be augmented. The screen won't disappear. It'll surround you. Number 7. AI-powered home assistants. Belongings. They used to play music, clang. Now they roam your house. Amazon's Astro is evolving from smart speaker to rolling robot, monitoring homes, delivering messages, and providing elder care. Apple's rumored J595 could soon follow, swiveling to track your movements during video calls. These aren't passive devices. They're companions. Forging that see, ears that listen, voices that remember. Your home isn't just smart anymore. it's becoming alive. Notwithstanding, 6. Workflow automation at scale. It's here. Platforms like UiPath, ServiceNow, and Zapier are running entire workflows with no human input. Amazon warehouses now predict where workers and robots should go before they move. Some corporations report up to 65% fewer repetitive tasks. We're not just automating jobs anymore, we're automating management. Number 5. Wearables that predict the future of you. Wearables are moving beyond step counts and heart rates. They're becoming your personal AI health lab. Devices like Whoop, Aura, and Movano can detect blood pressure, stress, and even early signs of illness, sometimes days before you feel it. Soon, your smartwatch might alert you not when you're sick, but when you're about to be. Number 4. Generative AI becomes the default. Firefight. Every word you read, every video you watch, every ad you see, it's all been touched by AI. GPT-5, Gemini Ultra, and Claude 3 are redefining what creativity means, crafting text, images, sound, and film like digital artists. Runway ML, Adobe Firefly, and 11 Labs are giving creators power that once took studios. Ubiquitous, we're entering a world where creation itself is automated. The future isn't about consuming content, confiscated it. It's about co-creating it, with AI by your side. Number 3. AI-native operating systems. In 2026, your device won't just run software, it will think with you. Microsoft's Copilot is already baked into Windows 11, unless it can ask it to summarize, design, or write right from your desktop. And Google are following suit. Operating systems are becoming co-pilots, not tools. And soon, your OS won't wait for instructions. It'll anticipate them. Stabilize 2. Edge robotics in retail and logistics. The silent workers of the new economy are here. Through warehouses, scanning shelves, and delivering food on campus sidewalks. Agility Robotics Digit, Starship, and Kiwi bots are redefining labor. They map, navigate, and adapt without control centers. The age of physical AI isn't a prediction. It's already clocked in. Number 1. Brain-computer interfaces. And finally, the boundary between mind and machine is fading. In early 2024, Neuralink implanted its first human brain chip, enabling thought-controlled computing. Synchron and Precision Neuroscience are testing less invasive versions that restore movement and communication to paralyzed patients. For the first time in history, thought itself is becoming input. Undermined, the ultimate user interface. The line between human and technology isn't blurring anymore, it's dissolving. 17 technologies, 1 destination. The merging of intelligence, both artificial and organic. Kang, the question isn't what will define 2026. The question is, will we still be the ones defining it? Fingered into the Future fascinated you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because the next video might just change the way you see reality itself.